Intro music fades. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into something truly mind-blowing that's been setting the tech world alight, especially over on Hacker News. Imagine, for a moment, being able to see radio frequencies, not just detecting them, but visualizing them, understanding their shape, and even knowing what's hiding behind your wall. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, thanks to an incredible project called QuadRF, that future is closer than you think. And it's genuinely revolutionary. QuadRF is essentially a highly advanced software-defined radio (SDR) system that elevates RF visualization. While SDRs allow us to tune into various radio signals, QuadRF pushes the boundaries significantly. The name QuadRF hints at its core strength. It utilizes multiple radio channels simultaneously, often to achieve unparalleled spatial awareness and detail. This isn't just about scanning frequencies. It's about building a dynamic, real-time picture of the RF environment around you. One of its most talked about capabilities is the ability to spot drones. Think of it like a sophisticated mini radar for your home or office. By processing the RF signals emitted by drones, whether for control or stability, QuadRF can detect their presence, track their movement, and potentially even identify their type. This has huge implications for privacy, security, and knowing if that buzzing sound outside is a delivery drone or something more concerning. But here's where it gets truly fascinating. QuadRF can literally help you see Wi-Fi through your wall. Now, it's not X-ray vision showing bricks and mortar. Instead, it visualizes the electromagnetic fields of Wi-Fi signals, allowing you to map out their strength, direction, and how they propagate through obstacles. You can actually watch a Wi-Fi signal interact with your wall, seeing where it attenuates, reflects, and where dead zones might exist. This is invaluable for optimizing your home network, troubleshooting connectivity issues, or understanding potential eavesdropping vectors. The magic behind QuadRF lies in its sophisticated signal processing algorithms. By combining data from multiple receiver channels, it performs advanced beamforming and triangulation, creating a detailed, real-time map of the RF landscape. This means it can not only detect a signal but also determine its direction of arrival, approximate distance, and infer the presence of objects based on reflections or absorption. It's like having a superpower to perceive an invisible world. The Hacker News community, known for its keen eye on groundbreaking tech, has been buzzing about QuadRF because it democratizes capabilities previously reserved for high-end military or industrial equipment. It opens up a world of experimentation for hobbyists, security researchers, and anyone curious about the unseen forces that power our digital lives. Imagine using this to find rogue Bluetooth devices, detect hidden cameras, or even track wildlife. The potential applications are truly vast. Enhancing home security by detecting unwanted intrusions, optimizing smart home ecosystems, or even for educational purposes, teaching about electromagnetic theory in a practical, visual way. So, what do you think? Is QuadRF the next big thing in personal tech? Are you excited about seeing Wi-Fi through your walls or spotting drones? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like,